Hey guys, Shane here. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy Moomoo stock, and we're going to start off by starting an account. So I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how you would buy a Moomoo stock from the very beginning when you haven't had an account started or you've never even used Moomoo, all the way to buying a stock. And I am going to keep this very brief and to the point. So first thing you're going to want to do, especially if you want to support the channel, is click the link down in the description below, and that is going to bring you to Moomoo. Now Moomoo currently, as far as I'm aware, has the best promotional offer out there. At the time of recording this video, they are offering up to 5 free stocks just for opening your account below and then funding it. Now, after you click on the link, you do have to go through a very short process where they're going to gather some information from you, and they have to do this by law. This is known as Know Your Customer, or KYC. Now, it should only take you just a few minutes to enter this information, and they're usually really fast when it comes to verification. So maybe an hour later or so, you'll be verified. Now, after you've created your account, in order to get to this process on your phone, easiest way to do it, there's many ways, but you can go to quotes, and then at the top right, click on open an account. And at that point, it is going to prompt you to provide that information that you need to provide. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you here in a little bit. All right, guys, so the account is now funded and ready to go. So what you're going to want to do is go to the bottom left and click on quotes, or I guess you would be touching quotes. I don't know why I say click on. But then you're going to see that you have access across the top to all markets: US, Hong Kong, Singapore, and China. So just to make things easy, go ahead and just keep it on all markets. Go to the top right and tap on the search function, which looks like a magnifying glass. Type in either the ticker symbol for the company that you want to invest in, or you can type in the full name of the company. Either one works. In this particular case, I am going to be typing in Palantir. And by the way, if you want to easily track it, you can also heart it, and that basically just puts it on a watch list. Go ahead and click into Palantir. And now on the bottom left, you're going to want to tap trade. Now, if you're a new investor, there's really 2 types of orders you want to pay attention to, and just don't even mess around with any of the other ones. The first one is going to be a limit order, and that's where you can adjust the price a little bit. So right now it's trading at about $14.26 per share. You can see that in the middle of the screen. You could potentially lower the price a little bit, maybe to $14.19, something along those lines. And it's possible that somebody might want to sell it to you for that lower price. But you are taking a risk. It may not execute the order, and you're just stuck there not getting to access the stock. Now, if you don't want to take that risk, you can go ahead and select the other type of order I recommend for beginners, which is a market order. This is going to sell it for the best available price at that time. So in the middle of the screen there, you see the minus and the plus. You're going to want to click plus in order to buy one stock. And then after you've made sure everything's good, you are going to click buy. Now at this particular point, I'm going to put in my trading password, which is something that you'll be setting up. And after you've put the trading password in, all you have to do is click buy again. And then it might ask you for confirmation, but after you give confirmation, you will now have executed the order and you will have bought that stock. But if you want to double check, what you can do is go to trade at the bottom, go to brokerage account, click on transactions, and then you will see that you purchased that stock. Hope you enjoyed this. I kept it super simple. Of course, I didn't include all the extra stuff that I would usually include. This is just a super simple guide. If you appreciate that, go ahead, gently tap that like button, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to use the link down in the description below. Have a good one.